Hello dear viewer and beautiful subscribers, hope you all are fine and are absolutely doing fantastic. Before we begin, if you are new then do subscribe and hit that bell icon, so you would never miss any content in future, and please leave a comment, so that we could know that what you guys think, so that we could improve for our future project. The Morbidelli T1002VX is crafted for those who seek to push the limits on every adventure. Powered by a 997cc 80-degree V-twin engine, this motorcycle delivers exceptional performance, blending power and control on any terrain. Its advanced riding technology includes adjustable ride modes, fully adjustable KYB suspension, and a de Havilland braking system with Boss ABS Pro, ensuring a safe and precise riding experience both on and off the road. Additionally, the Morbidelli Connect system keeps you constantly connected, providing peace of mind on every journey. For those who want to conquer the unknown and explore without boundaries, the T1002VX is designed to exceed all expectations. Exclusive 80-degree V-twin engine. At the heart of the T1002VX is its 997cc 80-degree V-twin engine, capable of delivering 88.51 horsepower at 7,500 revolutions per minute and an impressive torque of 89 Nm at 5,250 revolutions per minute. This configuration provides smooth and progressive power, ideal for challenging terrains and long-distance rides, standing out from the common inline engines in its segment. Fully adjustable KYB suspension. To ensure maximum control and comfort, the T1002VX is equipped with high-performance KYB suspension, fully adjustable both in the front and rear. The 43mm inverted fork with 183.8mm of travel in the front and the multi-link rear suspension provide precise impact absorption, maintaining stability in the most challenging conditions. High-performance braking system with ABS Pro. Safety is a priority with the T1002VX's braking system. Equipped with dual 320mm floating front discs and a 260mm rear disc, both supplied by de Havilland, it delivers superior braking power. Additionally, the Boss ABS Pro system, designed for stable braking in curves, enhances safety during emergency stops and on complex terrain. Intelligent ride modes. The T1002VX offers 4 adaptable riding modes for various conditions: standard, sport, rainy days, and off-road. These modes adjust throttle response, traction control, and braking to deliver a personalized experience for riders, whether in the city, on the highway, or off-road. Total connectivity at your fingertips. The Morbidelli Connect system allows riders to stay connected to their motorcycle through an advanced mobile app. With built-in connectivity, users can access a wide range of real-time information, including the exact location of the bike, performance stats, trip history, and security alerts. In addition, Morbidelli Connect offers the ability to set maintenance reminders, receive notifications of any unauthorized movement of the bike, and share routes with other Morbidelli Connect users. This feature also enables tracking in case of loss or theft, providing riders with an added level of security and peace of mind, making it an essential tool for those who value performance and protection. Comfort in any weather. Heated seat and grips. For maximum comfort during long rides and in adverse weather conditions, the T1002VX is equipped with heated seat and grips. This system keeps the rider warm during colder days, providing a much more comfortable and enjoyable riding experience, even in winter conditions. Rugged design built for adventure. The T1002VX is built for adventure, with a rugged design that includes a 20-liter fuel tank and spoked wheels with tires ready for any terrain. Additionally, it features quick-release aluminum panniers, designed to withstand the harshest conditions and offer substantial storage capacity for long journeys. Hope you all enjoyed such content. If it delivers or if you found it useful or informative, then please do give us a like, share and do subscribe so you would be notified for the future contents. Thank you.